Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we're going to take a look at this 5-meter LED strip that's available online or in store from Screwfix at $24.99. Now it's got some pros that I'll get to that make this the ideal replacement for your aging under cabinet lights in your kitchen. We've got a couple of screws to secure the driver to wherever it's going. And then in the instructions there, figure 2 there shows us how easy this tape is to go around corners and things. So the actual system itself, all pre-wired. It's got a pre-wired plug, and there's the driver, DC 12 volts, as opposed to AC that you'd get in a transformer. This is the strip itself, and look how adaptable that is. That's great. It's also cuttable. It's cool white, this one. 1200 lumens, so nothing flash. It is just one colour. But the great thing about this is, even though we've got our pre-wired plug there, if you're replacing something that exists already, you're just updating it, we can take that plug off and wire that into what's there already, probably a junction box. And we can do that because, as you see here, this is a Govee power supply, and the driver is actually in that plug, so we need to have that plug plugged in. But with our kit we're looking at now, we've got this driver that's separate to the plug, so that's great. So that means we can do all sorts of things with it. We also don't want a socket permanently taken up, having to plug these lights in and the cables on show then from the cabinetry down to the socket. And so as it comes, it's not connectable to your voice assistant, home voice assistant if you've got one. But there are a few products that means we can actually connect this in. So the first one is this Sonoff wireless light switch. You can connect this into your Amazon Home Assistant or Google Home. And this one is a Quinetic switch. Now these are quite new to the market, not been around too long. These are Wi-Fi again, so you can connect them into your Home Assistant, but they've also got Quinetic switches that you can mount anywhere that don't need any wiring. So that's a really adaptable set of LED lights there that I think could easily replace your under cabinet lights in your kitchen. So thanks for watching. Hope that's been useful. Take a look at one of these videos that I've put on screen now. I think you'll enjoy them. And I'll catch you later. Cheers.